Hey guys, come grow with me. Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be getting one of our beds ready for some potatoes. So what we're going to be doing is digging up some soil and then laying some fresh garden soil on top so we can get our beautiful golden Yukon potatoes in hopefully this week. All right, let's get started. Alright guys, this soil is super dense and I've already given up. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put the soil on top. Okay, so that was a lot more tiring than I thought it would be. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna put the fucking potatoes out because that was a lot quicker than I expected as well. And I wanna get these potatoes out. So let's get the potatoes out. Alright guys, I'm back here with our potatoes. I ordered my seed potatoes from my gardener this year, which I've never done, so I'm super excited for that. And we'll see how it goes. We've got some eyes on our potatoes. I'm super excited. I didn't see them at first, so I was a little nervous. I was like, I didn't know if we had any eyes on them, but we do. So we're gonna put these bad boys out. This is a 2x8 foot garden bed, so we're gonna do 1 seed potato per square foot. And let's get started. So that's what it's looking like with our seed potatoes just laying on top of the bed. I'm gonna go get my shovel and dig those bad boys in. Alright guys, so the potatoes are all on the ground. I'm going to go ahead and water them. Alright guys, so that was a success. We got our potatoes in the bed. We got our new soil out. I broke a sweat, which is good. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and make sure you like and subscribe to see what I do with my other beds. I also have to start weeding out my hardening off my seedlings, so make sure you stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.